Hello and welcome to pmclounge.com. This is pmi.org, the official website of PMI. And did you know that PMI actually offers a certification for school going students as well? That's right. So if you go to certifications under certification types, you will find a certification listed here called Project Management Ready. And this is the newest offering in terms of certifications from PMI. It introduces high school and post-secondary students to the concepts and skill sets of project management. It also says here this certification presents the tools needed to apply this knowledge to a wide range of career paths and so on. So what this certification basically does is it introduces the students to these four items: project management fundamentals and core concepts, traditional plan based methodologies. So we are talking about agile here. We're talking about waterfall here. Next is agile frameworks and methodologies. So, frameworks, methodologies of agile, and then even business analyst frameworks, which is very important because more and more project managers are required to have business knowledge as well and business analysis skills. So, again, I don't think that in any of these four items, you would be expected, the students would be expected to have detailed knowledge of. But I think, PMI is going to ensure that you have good understanding of these concepts. So, project management again is a life skill. It is not just a professional skill. Of course, it is a professional skill, but it is also a life skill. And a lot of things that you go through in your life could actually be simply defined as projects. So if you understand project management, you will be able to manage those things better. Now, this certification is aligned with Certiport's Learn, Practice, and Certify model, and we'll go over the Certiport website and talk more about it. But before that, I just wanted to cover the prerequisites here. So someone who want to get this project management ready certification read at a seventh grade level, so that means class 7, possess fundamental computer literacy, be able to participate in training and take exams, which I believe will be done online. Now, practice tests are coming soon, they are not here yet. Let me go over to the Certiport website because that also has important information that we should be aware of. Now, once again, it talks about the project management ready certification, and here's their learn, practice, and certify model. I'll leave that to you. You can go ahead and check this out. An important point here is that candidates for this certification will be expected to have key conceptual knowledge and principles of project management through at least 150 hours of instruction. That means if you're studying project management for 1 hour a day, you are expected to have 5 months of instruction before you can, go for this certification, before you can take up the exam. That is what I am assuming here. Now, when we go to, I don't think there's anything in the practice page. Yep, I think they are yet to come up with the practice related materials here. And it says that practice tests for PMI's project management ready certification will be available early 2021 through Measure Up. So, as of May 2021, they are not available. Now, when we talk about Certify, this has some important items that you should be aware of. It talks about the four key topics which we've mentioned in the PMI on the PMI website itself. What are the benefits of getting this certification, right? So basically, once you complete this certification, you will be able to benefit from project management skills. Like I said, it is not just a professional skill, it is also a life skill. And it is a professional credential. It comes from PMI, so it gives you a competitive edge, and it is also going to help you, stand out from the crowd, basically. Prerequisites, these are same as what we discussed on the PMI website. The last three were the ones that were listed on the PMI website, and these four are basically the key topics that you should know before you can appear for the exam. Now, if you go to we can go to resources first and then come back to badging. So on the resources page, you have two PDFs here. The first one is basically a certification overview. So I think it just talks about whatever we've already discussed when it comes to project management certification. Although this project management ready certification, although it gives you a nice ladder that you can aim with your professional career, right? You can start off with project management ready, then you can have CAPM. This CAPM does not require you to have any professional experience as such, but it requires you to have a bachelor degree at least. And then, of course, there's PMP, right? So this is basically a good pathway to follow if you want to get yourself into the project management profession. And then there are some objective domains that is again another PDF that is linked here in the resources, and it basically details what all you are going to go over as part of this course, right? So you need to recognize core terminology. This is a big thing. Then it talks about identify concepts and terminology of project management planning. And then, of course, there's a whole lot of stuff that you need to learn here. When it comes to Agile, they're talking about recognize when Agile project management is appropriate, identify the primary rationale for Agile and traditional plan-based projects. So it's basically making you ready and understand a lot of project management related stuff. I still don't think it will go very deep in terms of education and understanding of all these concepts, but you will definitely be better off getting yourself a project management ready certification as against someone who does not understand project management and is total novice. And then there are certain webinars also that are listed here, blog posts. So all these are resources that someone looking for the project management ready certification can kind of go over. And I also wanted to touch on the badge here, that it is a digital badge that you will be provided with, and you can obviously add this badge on your LinkedIn, Facebook, social media profiles, Twitter, as well as your email and online portfolio. So this again helps you stand out from the crowd. So that's all that I wanted to talk about. Of course, I don't think the fees and all are mentioned yet. I think this is still something which is pending when it comes to this project management ready certification. But this is definitely the newest certification that PMI has come up with. So more details are going to be followed. I hope you got value out of this video. Do share it with folks that are going to school and are school students and want to get themselves a project management related certification and get into the project management professional career path. Thank you and have a nice day.